This is room 1206 of the Hyatt Regency Orlando. And we are right next to the convention center. Come in and show you. This is our check-out day. I like to do videos on check-in, but I wasn't here when we checked in. My friend was already here. As you'll see, the closet to the left, and there's a lot of room for suitcases. We've got 2 big suitcases, carry-on, backpack. So lots of room, hangers, ironing board, and of course, safe. Then you'll see the beverage bar. We have coffee. We did get water brought in. If you have a car, you can go over to Walmart, Turkey Lake Road. It's not very far, maybe 5-7 minutes, or just Instacart. I like to do a lot of Instacart when I'm traveling. So these are the pods that you just put in. There is no housekeeping right now during COVID, so you will have to request more, but it's super easy. So as we go into the main room, again, we are checking out today, so I am not a domestic goddess. Do not do well making beds, but I did want to show you what it would look like made up and not all messy. So we've got 2 queen beds with a nightstand in the middle. Clock radio, we have 2 USBs and then 2 regular outlets that you can put your cubes. The phone is cordless and you can call down to the different departments. So just like a regular hotel. There's a Chase lounge that is in front of the window. Pretty comfortable. Might be able to sleep a small child. The drapes, we have the sheer and the blackout. And I'll tell you, the blackout worked really, really well because we did sleep in one day. But look at our view. We have a pool view. Let's see if I can get up close. There we go. Sorry for the glare, but I'm going through a window. So that's the terrace pool on level 4. And then there is another pool on the other side of the building as well that's on the ground floor. And of course, that's the convention center straight ahead. And I want to show you how close we are to the parks. So if you can see straight back, I know the sheer's in the way, but straight back, that is actually Universal Studios. You can see the coasters. Also, Icon Park is very close to us. It's about, I can't see it because I'm on the wrong side of the tower, where the big wheel is, if you've ever been down here and see the big wheel. And SeaWorld is also behind us. So we are kind of in the middle of Universal Studios, SeaWorld, and Icon Park. Typical drawers, they're pretty deep. Let's see, let's open this one. Holds my pods. For those of you who have seen my other videos, you know that I love packing pods. I'll put a link down. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll put a link down on the ones that we use. Super easy to pack. You just unpack the pod, put it in the drawer, and then take the pod out, put it back in the suitcase. So TV, and then we do have a luggage holder here. And I'll take you in the bathroom. See, there's a TV in the mirror. I know that might be new to some of you. However, some of the nicer higher end hotels do have them, which is super nice for, let me show you this tub. Look at that. Nice tub. Not quite a soaking tub as qualified like some other places that say they have a soaking tub, but I soaked in it last night. Large enough for me. The water was nice and hot. And I know that it's super clean because of all of the COVID procedures that Hyatt is doing. And then just your typical sink, excuse the towels on the floor. Again, they're not doing housekeeping. And then you have a remote and a makeup mirror. Hi. So this is the room. It's just a typical 2 queen pool view room. Located in a great place in Orlando. If you have to come here for a convention. let me know. I'd love to help you. We'll even get you some tickets over to Universal or SeaWorld. Stay another day or two. One last look. Let me know if you have any questions. Orlando and really the Central Florida area is really my wheelhouse. Would love to help you. Talk to y'all later. Bye.